Oh my God, I've reached enlightenment. In this busy life that we lead, it's so easy to feel overwhelmed and become wrapped up in our work, chores, social life, and activities that eventually consume us. But what if we could train our mind to be better, naturally more present and calmer? In this video, I'm going to be trying to meditate for 10 minutes every single day for 30 days and tell you exactly how I did it, what effect it had on my life, and whether it's worth continuing with. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where I try things that are meant to improve your life and let you know about them through my experience. So first off, meditation. Why would anyone even want to do it? Well, meditation has loads of cited benefits, which include reducing stress, controlling anxiety, increased self-awareness, increased attention span, improved sleep, control of pain. So it's good for you. But what actually is meditation? Well, as Headspace puts it, meditation isn't about becoming a different person, a new person, or even a better person. It's about training in awareness and getting a healthy sense of perspective. You're not trying to turn off your thoughts or feelings. You're learning to observe them without judgment, and eventually you may start to better understand them as well. And meditation goes hand in hand with mindfulness, which is a quality that you carry throughout every day. Mindfulness is the ability to be present, to rest in the here and now, fully engaged with whatever we're doing in the moment. Meditation helps you with your mindfulness, and in turn, being more mindful helps you be better at meditation. So where to start? Headspace is an app that helps you with all of this meditation business. There are other apps out there, but I thought I'd go with Headspace because they also have an 8-part Netflix series which I started with, which is called the Headspace Guide to Meditation. Each episode is roughly 20 minutes and it takes you through all different types of meditation with roughly 10 minutes of explanation at the start and 10 minutes of guided meditation at the end. And it takes you through dealing with some common feelings as well, like stress, anger, pain, and kindness. I'll put the link to the trailer in the description below if you want to check it out. And so this is exactly where I started for the first 8 days. Every morning, roughly an hour after I woke up, I had a bit of time to adjust, had my breakfast smoothie. I'd just sit down and watch the video, and I found it the perfect way to really get into it because there was some interaction and some explanation beforehand of what you're actually doing. I found it so useful that after that I switched over to the Headspace app. I really liked how the trainer guided you through all the meditations. I started on the first basics course, which was 10 episodes long, and then tried the basics 2 course, which was another 10 episodes long, and then I also did 2 other random meditations from the app. It is quite hard at the start, like trying a new sport or going to the gym for the first time. You don't really know what you're doing, but Andy, the guy from Headspace, basically acts as your personal trainer. Some days your mind naturally has more going on and you feel a bit more stressed and you feel your mind wandering and thinking about things too much. And some days you feel naturally calmer. You don't really have too much going on and you're really in the moment with the meditation, but overall it definitely gets easier with time. What effect has it had on my life? Personally, I think it's life-changing, but different people have different reactions to it. I think the value is in practice over time, because you see the result of the meditation in your everyday life, in your mindfulness. In different situations, sometimes you're a lot calmer, you're a lot less stressed. Things that would otherwise stress you out beforehand, now you feel yourself being a lot more okay with it. And just generally you feel a lot less uncomfortable or stressed or anxious in normal situations. I chose to do it every morning, but it adds a bit of routine into your life too. And it lets you be a lot closer to your own thoughts and feelings, your body, and also your immediate environment. Having done the 30 days, it's definitely something that has changed my life in every day that I live now. I could definitely feel myself being more mindful, and it's a habit that I've been continuing with. I now use the Headspace app and try to meditate every single day for roughly 5 to 10 minutes. I have mentioned Headspace a lot during this video, and unfortunately I'm not sponsored, but I do just find it really helpful, not only because of the videos at the start, but the app is also really good too, being able to be guided through the meditations. Being able to commit more than 15 minutes consistently to meditating every day, I just don't think I could do it, so I kept it at roughly 10 minutes every day because consistency is the key. I definitely recommend trying it for yourself, but such as most things in life, the results are not immediate and they definitely come over time, so it's worth practicing and keeping it going and being aware, practicing your mindfulness, like just see how different you feel after doing it for a while. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments, is meditation something that you're planning to try or something that you're already doing? If you like this video, you might like the video where I tried to run from couch to 5K in 30 days. If you've got any questions, then feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. But if not, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.